Yay, we reached at White Rock Beach. Let's explore this. See the houses? Wow, the white rock. This is the White Rock Beach. See, there is a train line here. The train. This is beach and train together. Anna, what is this? Dedicated Heritage Day, February. Yeah, just stand beside this man. See, he has a briefcase. White Rock briefcase. Sunny. White Rock. See, this is the Pacific Ocean. It's located in the White Rock, BC, Canada, in Vancouver. We are now going to cross this Canada's longest pier lagoon, maybe made up of wood. See? Are you excited? And here is also a train track. Let's go, girls. Let's explore. Yes, let's explore. Yeah, see, this is the train track. Yeah, this is a train track. Yeah, we stand there. So actually, soon. Let's go. Jump. So we are, and I'm entering Ramsar, Bondari Bay Wildlife Management Area. Shellfish area closed. We'll go. Let's finish this one track and we'll go this one. Helps restore the White Rock fire, the city of White Rock. Oh yeah, we'll just finish this one track first. Let's see how long it is. Okay? Yeah, walk from this way. One way. See, at night time it looks so good. All the tree has the light. About how much there are? Katiota Pacific, Katiota oceans in world. There are 5 oceans. There are 5 different oceans. Or more than that? 5. So this is one of the ocean in the world, a Pacific Ocean. Biggest one in the world. OMG. See? And this is the longest Canada's pier, P-I-E-R, pier, with the biggest ocean attached. So is it excited that 2 things we can explore at one place, and there is a one white rock there. See, there is a one white rock. Oh, White Rock, that's called a White Rock because of this. See, here is the view. That become this is a city by the sea. City by the sea called White Rock. See, people are fishing. What if while they fish, that bird comes? A little chilly. The legend of the White Rock, the history behind this. What? See, look at that city located at that little hilly area. Look at back. City by the sea. Yeah. Oh yeah, White Rock Senior Village. Maybe they all are the donations they gave to make this. Yeah, nice. Straw family and Lee lead.
They said answer.
Nicole, White Rock, you look so So many people's effort are here. Friends of the pier, help us rebuild the pier and be the past of history.
Don't you see there was
With the help of so many people, this pier is become possible.
who's cute? What's cute? What is cute?
Are you enjoying this pier? How you feel to be in this pier, huh? Cold, but it's not that cold. This cold is, we can tolerate, right? Let's touch that
Is it
peak.
deep?
We are moving towards the peak.
Hello.
Alright, take another place. Okay, don't move.
Huh?
Just speak something.
Hi. The water. The rocks.
Because of the cloudy, the ocean that looks like
Look at the clouds.
gray.
It's so.
Maybe the color of this ocean changes with the reflection of the sky, right? If it's blue, maybe bluish.
Yeah.
Maybe if there's a sun.
Yeah. It's over there. Look at that. Hi.
In the search of better life, the Japanese came to return back. See now this the whole the rock piled up there. We are almost at the edge of this longest Canada's pier. Oh, we can go there. Come. Mama. Let's go there. Please ensure that crabbing and fishing line do not obstruct incoming boats and are not left until. Wow, the boats comes here. Come. Oh, I saw some big. Is there some big fish? Yeah. Come. All person entering or returning to Canada must report to Canada Border Service. No fishing or crab. Maybe people coming from USA comes here via boat. Yeah, see? All persons entering or returning to Canada must report to Canada Border Service Agency. So this is the ship station. Big ship. Where?
In the water?
No, because of this wood, they just put one big rope to stop the fishing or crabbing on the north side of the dock. See how big it looks, that lagoon. Let's go. Come this side.
Are you scared of the water, Mommy?
The Rock Sea Tours. See, that's the shark. Watch.
That's a killer whale.
Killer whale. What's this one? Crab fishing in Saimahu Bay. Newcomer white. Love, we reach to the edge. From here we can only have a view. See, this is the longest. Oh, so look at that side, the city by the sea. Nice one.
Houses are like
We are facing towards the sea.
they're sea houses.
Yeah.
Beach houses.
Let's go.
Wait. Let me take a picture here. Friend, see, they have a white on their head with a beak, different color. Must be a duck. Duck, 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 duck. It's slightly raining now, so we haven't carried our umbrella. That's fine. It's not that much. Wow. Because of this white rock, this place is named White Rock. Nice. It's a big one. Hey, we can touch the ocean.
Go.
Now we are going to feel the Pacific. Oh no. Huh?
Mommy, you can go. Go, Mommy.
Pacific Ocean. We're touching the Pacific Ocean.
Shwano.
Hey, after Indian Ocean, I'm touching Pacific Ocean. Let's touch ocean, Pacific Ocean water. Very good. Let's go.